dirty south. Can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast.
Welcome on YouTube, and we're back. Finally, back with another video. Guys, like, it's not how we stopped making videos or recording videos. We stopped editing them. And we need, the thing about this, we're not getting a slapdash content. We actually want to put time and effort in our videos, and we want to even improve the editing that we're doing right now.
Make them look nice.
And the time to do that, we haven't been able to find it. Like, a lot has been going on.
Live pick up.
What?
No more free
That
time.
is why we not get a live update, because like you gotta have to understand what's going on, given the context of what's going on. And I couldn't understand why we kind of did, disappear for months. We never intended this. Life just have a way to just do what you want to do, right? So we're here to kind of explain what's going on, give you a prep of the videos that are yet to come, because it's a lot.
No,
like,
then just editing.
And what different videos. And they're recent. It's just that we've been recording them back to back and not editing them back to back. So yeah, let's start off with, I guess, one of the biggest announcements.
I don't know.
Yes.
Alright guys, so we finally got engaged after how much years?
Boy, like, you tell them.
Why did that? After almost 5 years?
No, currently we're going to 5 years.
5 years. November would be 5 years.
Yeah, we would have gotten engaged like 4 years. It's been a while. I'm sorry guys, we didn't tell you on that. We would have gotten engaged in November? Last year. November of last year.
Gosh, yeah. So look how much months that now people. November, December, January, March, April, May, June, July, August. Almost 10 months.
September, because it was the beginning of
September down to that month.
The 30th. It was the beginning of November, so it has been what, 10 months?
Over 10 months.
Wow.
It was the beginning of November.
Wow, this is a 10-month secret. Damn. We didn't plan none of
it. Some of the most featured one of the videos.
Yeah, but probably would never even say no. And then, of course, people close to us would have known, because things were in plan and motion. I did like to start up again. Like,
my life particularly.
Yeah.
I'm the only reason I'm married.
Yeah, y'all would have gotten the content, because the content was there, planning and everything go wrong.
Yeah.
People, it was just a lot. But it's a lot too. Like, we finally we've overcome that issue, and there's nothing in our way right now. Everything we've already had planned everything, it's just that we had to put things on hold. So everything just on hold again. Not the pound hold.
Yeah. The date set, everything.
Everything is there. Like, we don't have anything to do this time around, and this character just like, how about people them and say, yo, available this day, yeah, you, alright, cool. Yeah, we did that already. That's why I said we didn't have much to do around this time, because everything was already planned. So basically, all of us to do is pay the rest of the down payments for the second half. Then, how we make the down payment, we have to just finish pay fee, and that's not gonna be until next year. So guys, we're doing this next year, yeah. There's a lot to update you guys on, but that was the major one. We are officially engaged.
Jesus Christ. Can you believe it? What year is this gonna look forward now? What year is it upon YouTube? What year?
2020.
Yeah, what year now?
Yeah.
When I watch us on YouTube doing coffee shops, and look at us now. Married couple.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that more live content soon too.
Yeah.
Okay.
As you said, it's just because life has been up and down and busy as to why we haven't gotten around to edit them as this.
Yeah, there's a lot of content, and so the wedding series, it's up there, guys. So only for content at the wedding series, I have about 5. Everything I forget the content, dress, venue, tux. I'm telling all the things they already did dealt
you
with.
Want to see me tux?
Wally things, people.
You want to see me tux?
Everything that they're ready for. So that content is already there. we've already started out things, but once we reach the point where we're ready to post them, stop. When I get them back to back.
3 video a week, right?
But I said I can put them camera. I know I wanted it 2. I don't know about the 3, but let's not limit ourselves. If you want the 3, alright, let's see. Anyways, yeah. So we're gonna give you those contents. Like it's a lot to come, and it's very intriguing, very exciting. I haven't even edited those videos
No, not edit. I just want me to start editing and it's not even
I know, right? So besides that, no, the next thing that we have to update you guys is a lot like. Oh, okay. So I don't know how much you guys would have picked up and noticed. I think I would have said it. I'm finally done with school. I did my master. I have passed. Now I'm a degree up on top of degree female. I finally finished my master's program. Science in delivered, get physical copy, get digital copy. Done. And I did my program online overseas school, and I definitely recorded my last few days. I think it was the last week of actually finishing that. I gave you guys some tips of like choosing a school if you want to do it abroad while locally here. Giving the tips on how to find them school and how I was able to study and cope, and those videos are there to come. So if you're interested in that, as I said, you have to subscribe.
Watch it.
And moving on with that, should I tell them?
Yes, tell them, Jesus.
Your girl finally got a job.
J.O.B.
Damn, and that's the next job. And that's the next thing that's been taking our time. I don't have that free time that I normally do. That would have been able to help with pushing this content and pushing it.
Yeah. So 9 to 5, no matter
9 to like 6:30, 9 to 7. All 8. There has a lot has been changed. A lot has changed. But like you have to just work with the changes them, and when I met that stuff we've enjoyed making content. Come back in front of the camera, I'm like, Jesus. It's been a while, and we really enjoyed this part that we took up from 2020. We worked on it, we grew on it, we blossomed it. Many people that has started YouTube channel and has not reached the point where we've gotten monetized, grow have a small community that we're gonna work on getting more closeness as well. I start a live. When I say on camera, I hold myself accountable. I start a live probably every Sunday after a video drop or something like that, or even before a video drop.
I probably every Sunday, but
alright, we're gonna try to do it at least once a month.
At least once a month.
Once a month.
Just
start off small.
Just to come through and interact more with you guys, and I'm more live.
Yeah, whether it's going to be on YouTube or we have an Instagram channel, or it's going to be on our Instagram. Probably we can start a TikTok. So if we don't want a TikTok, we can
start a TikTok.
Yeah. So that is one other thing as well. You want to jump into one of yourself?
Well, I have nothing going on. I am boring and covered.
He's a lot going on. It's whether or not he's going to actually jump into some of them. But if he doesn't want to tell y'all, he doesn't have to.
Alright, I'm a university student.
So that's the next thing. Like, we don't have no time. He started school. He's been so
Shall carry jump before me? Shall carry jump like 6:30, 7 o'clock?
Yeah.
We reach up like 9:30, 10. Come here for work on school.
Yes. So I would have
rough.
Yeah. I would have loved to do some content around like how it's been with him actually doing full-time classes. A full-time student, boy, be getting those subjects in while working. So probably if he is willing to do that, he has to take the first step to actually just acknowledge it and just spread it in the atmosphere. It's never too late to actually pursue anything that you have in mind, and never use the age or like we said, boy, as a limit. You don't know how long you have in life. Like,
you can't literally study anything. What am I doing? I'm doing hospitality and tourism management, and I'm major in culinary arts.
No, your school is that. I think your school is hospitality and tourism management.
HTM.
That's your school, but you are studying culinary arts management.
No.
Yes.
Hospitality and tourism management.
It's the school.
Listen to me now, man.
It's the school. And what is this now?
What makes up?
It's because I'm a young girl. I'm really not trying to fight him, but big up to people who have assisted me to assist him in the way that I understand a little bit, right? You can't find nothing. Anyway, people at the school, we not spend no more time on this earth. Come all I see it.
Yeah, you'll find it, I'm sure, because people, she'll be like, I know me, I study it.
It's the school. I think he's like business school and tourism management.
That's my faculty.
Yeah, but his major.
My major
is
culinary.
It's culinary arts. That's your major.
Yeah, that's my major.
Yeah. So what are you talking about?
But I'm a hospitality student. Hospitality and tourism.
There's a school that's in Brabra. These boys literally going to spend the next 10 minutes while we're going to finish the video.
This one fine. Anyways, no prove her after because she ever tell me what me has studied you.
I'm not fighting. I'm not a UTech student. So we has actually adopted. I'm not going no more in any details. Y'all can find that out in that video. What coming we adopted. You decide what we adopted, who we adopted. So you never know.
Why we adopted?
You won't see it, but not in this video. And then the next thing, guys, like our business too. I've actually made that step. I have a registered business,
Yes, registered.
And I had to do a name change. I'm no longer the Wig Factor. I'm the Wig Element.
Water, fire. Yes, you changed the element.
Air and earth.
Tell them why. You didn't have to finish. Tell them why you changed it.
Yes, so my lovely name, which is I don't see any other business with the Wig Factor. However, it is very similar to the Wig Factory, and apparently a company was registered underneath a name similar. Basically like that with the thing at the end. So they might tell me, so basically my name just 3 letters short with the Y and the 2 other letters the person did have. So I have to change it. And I was going to think about probably just tweaking the word factor, probably putting a K and those stuff. But I noticed that within that time period as well, when I was trying to register the business, people keep on calling me factory. My name is not factory. And if I have people calling me that, it's just going to be connotative to people searching that and not finding me, finding other people. So I decided I'm not fight to keep the name. I'm going to find a next name that is also unique because I never get a name unique and go share, find my new name. No, I'm not do that. So I came up with it, you know, that day they won't get the message. That's in the line up with it, my heart did earn with it sad. But eventually I came up like with a few ideas. I was stuck with the Wig Element and that's what we are.
And that is that.
Yeah, I made some business cards. I actually made business cards and fly out while being a Wig Factor. And I had to change like all of that, like.
Right, it's upside down, sorry. Jesus, focus, yes.
So big up to Pictacle for making these for me and my flyers as well. I did these, and I made flyers and business cards. Went to a bunch of businesses for only have the name changed like 2 weeks later. So if you see these, Wig Element, no factor no more. But anyways. Business is registered and I am actually going to be participating in my first hair show. I don't know if I'm going to vlog that. I didn't really think about it. You guys can tell me. The show is next week. I may just do content just for my Instagram. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like the background looks kind of different where we're recording. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, maybe not. I don't know. It's possible. I don't know.
But if you can tell a difference, there's a reason why, and you will see it in a video coming soon.
There's a lot has changed. And what about what for content, guys? We're back on the El Carro hunt. And this time we're ready.
Rufo
hunt. There's a lot of videos coming for house hunting, car hunting, car videos, house videos, community tours.
No.
There are a lot of those contents coming, and we apologize for some of the things that we tell from now. Some of the house videos them like the window did wind up and the window did dirty. I'm so sorry. But anyone eating the time did the art, I'm not really a tip about that. So. Sorry.
And some of them kind of rush car people them kind of in and out. So we have to just run through run through. So it's not like a detailed viewing of the space, but you still see the space.
Yeah.
Nevertheless.
Some of the houses that we are looking at, it definitely seems like some people get tired of the rental, the landlord title,
So much I sell the
and
property.
yeah, and the people them still are living there basically.
Yeah.
So yes. And like that, we even look on like auction house, like we look on a lot of things, guys. We looked at the multiple options, guys. Like we not stop no ceasing this time around. Yeah. Is there anything else that's really there to update you guys on? Well, you know you're gonna get some wedding content, some house content, some car content, some school content. You're gonna get some
adapted content.
you're getting everything and a bag of some. And we're not going to cease with the coming back this time around. This is the longest break that we've ever taken. It wasn't on purpose.
It looked bad, man. It looked bad. People see me around and say, oh, no, no, post again. But I think those people know what we have
been posting before that.
Yeah, no.
But guys, we're coming back and we're coming back with a vengeance. I don't think there's anything else. If you guys want to know anything else, yeah, comment it below. Probably one of these days we can do a Q&A question. I remember somebody had asked us, I said, oh God, years ago, I'm just 31. And we were going to do it, but like, we need some more interaction from you guys as well.
Yeah,
a lot of you guys definitely,
interacting.
a lot of you guys definitely have questions. Don't be scared to ask them. I mean, we don't know you. We don't know where you live and have a pop-up and bust in your face. Like, we can't do that, nor would we ever do that. So like if you guys have a content just to ask like even like simple questions like what is your age, what is our aspirations, y'all we
Don't ask them believe because we're not going to tell you.
Them can't ask but we're not answering. People ask already like when I try to run up on we like I don't understand. But anyways guys, I think that is it for the life update video. Life has been lifing, but we're not gonna make it stop. We have goals and ambitions to definitely grow our YouTube channel and to just grow financially, spiritually, grow economically, knowledge-wise, everything. We want to grow and we're not leave out this part of our journey.
Yeah, because this is where we started.
Yeah.
Confucius.
Yeah. So we're done. Thank you so much for watching. We're back into this era, people. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Yes.
Oh shit, there's even restaurant viewing in it too. You forget about that though. Yeah, yo, I want to put it in the people that they don't remember.
I'm telling you, we have to know to remember.
Right,
I'm better, there's more.
Yeah, alright guys, so we're not holding no more. You guys have, thank you so much who have actually made it to the end. We appreciate you and we appreciate that you come back after 5 months. Yeah. Bye guys. And the guys too who have been watching our videos that we've been gone, we've been seeing it. Thank you. Bye.
Bye guys.